In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the issue of no preview. Available file is in owner's bin on Google Drive. By the end, you will be able to open the file preview successfully, either by requesting access from the owner or by restoring the file yourself if you own it. First, on the Google Drive page where you see no preview available, file is in owner's bin, click Request Access. You'll find this button on the blocked preview screen. Click it once, and you should see a short confirmation that your request was sent to the file owner. This alerts them that you need the file restored so you can view it. Next, contact the owner to restore the file from trash, also called bin. Send them a quick message letting them know the exact file name and that drive is showing it's in their bin. Ask them to restore it so the link works again. This restoring simply moves the file back to my drive and does not delete anything, so it's safe to do. Now, ask them to reshare the file link. After the file is restored, have them open the file in Drive and share the link with you again. This ensures you're opening the current active version and not a link that pointed to the trashed copy. When you receive the new link, open it, and the preview should load normally. If you are the owner, here's how to restore the file yourself from your Google Drive. Open Google Drive, then go to Trash or Bin. On desktop, you'll see Trash or Bin in the left sidebar. Click it to open your deleted items. If you're on mobile, open the Drive app, tap the menu, then tap Bin. You'll now see everything you've removed. Find the file. Look through the list for the exact file name that's failing to preview. At some, check the file type and the date removed so you restore the correct item. If you see multiple versions, choose the one you want to bring back. Take a moment to confirm it's the right file to avoid restoring the wrong document. Click Restore. On desktop, right-click the file and choose Restore, or select the file and click the Restore button at the top. On mobile, tap the three dots next to the file and tap Restore. This moves the file back to its original folder in My Drive. Don't worry, Restore is safe and reversible. It does not overwrite other files. Reopen the file link, go back to the tab or message where you have the file link and open it again. The no preview available file is in owner's bin message should be gone, and the Google Drive preview should load normally. If you shared this link with others, send them the same link again to confirm they can open it now that the file is restored. At this point, the issue is fixed, and the file preview on file preview on Google Drive is working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.